Hello, and welcome to our fifth Teams training video. In this video, we will be covering the Files function in the Teams app. Teams gives us a lot of options for file sharing. The first one we're going to cover can be accessed through the chat. This is most useful for sharing documents between 2 or 3 people. Now, there are 2 ways to send a file. I can send a file directly in the chat by clicking on the paper clip at the bottom of the screen. I just need to pick a file and send it to whoever I'm talking to. Now, once this file has been sent, it will be automatically placed in the File section of the chat, which is right here in the top bar. Within Files, you'll find all of the documents shared between you and whoever you're chatting with. Both you and that person now have access to everything that gets put in here. So if I double click on this document, it opens up and I can read it. You can put things directly into files, but if you do that, it would probably be smart to let the other person in the chat know that you've uploaded some documents because they're not going to get a notification or anything. And the second place where I can store and access files is within Teams. Much like file sharing within chats, I can start a new conversation and attach a file to my post, which will then go out to the entire team. Whatever I upload will also appear in files, where I can also place content directly. And to illustrate how useful this particular function is, I am going to propose a hypothetical. Let's say the marketing department had more than 2 people, and as part of the campaign, we need to write a lot of blog posts. I want these posts to all be written in a specific way. So I upload a document that details how the posts need to be written. Once this document has been uploaded, everybody in the marketing department has access to that document and can refer back to it as needed. And I can also organize documents. Let's say I find a couple of helpful writing tips. So I create a folder and I'll label the folder blog writing so people know that's what's contained in there. And I can put all the blog related documents into that one folder for easy access. Let's click on it, click move, and click on the binder I want it to go into. As we saw before, double-clicking on a document will allow you to view it within Teams. But right-clicking on a document or clicking on the 3 dots, you get some more options and you can, for example, download the document and view it on your computer. So now I can open it in Microsoft Word in this example and make whatever edits or changes I want. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.